Hello, I'm Dr. Macon Singletary, your friendly North Raleigh Periodontics. Welcome. I'm glad you're watching this video today. We're going to talk about what to expect when you come in for an exam. It's going to be very detailed. Even if it's a unit procedure, we're going to look at several things. We're going to try to formulate a plan for you that will help you make some decisions about options for treatment. We're going to look at your medical history, medications you're taking, that may affect how you heal and fight infection. We're going to look at your gum tissue health. Obviously, I'm a periodontist. I take care of the surrounding structures of your teeth, the gum tissue and bones, so that's important. We're going to look at the way your teeth fit together. We're going to look at your restorations. We're going to do a head and neck exam, a cancer screening for you. And based upon that information, we're going to sit down and talk about what your wants and desires are, a fabricated plan that will be to suit your needs, and then come up with an action for you. And we look forward to working with you. We want you to give us a call if you got questions, and we'd be glad to get you in. Thank you.